Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to activate your Varo Bank debit card. If you don't have a Varo account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $50 when you join and spend $20 within 30 days of account opening. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see an Activate button at the middle part of the screen. Tap on Activate. Now, enter the last 4 digits of your card number. After entering, tap on Next. Next, enter the expiration date. Then tap on Next. Lastly, create a 4-digit PIN. Enter it on the field provided, then tap on Next. Re-enter it again. Then tap on Activate. That's how you activate your Varo Bank debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.